International Codes of Signals or ICS relates to method of transmitting signals between vessels or shore station. It provides standardized procedures and methods for transmitting the international code signals or letters, numbers, and special combination through various means of communication. Transmitting method number 1, visualing signaling, plug hoisting using signal plugs on halyards, flash, flashing light, Morse code using lamps to send messages via Morse code, semaphore using hand held flags in specific position to represent letters. 2. Sound signaling during limited visibility includes horn, blast, bells, and gongs. Morse code with sound. 3. Radio communication, radio telephony, voice transmitting letter or signal group verbally using the phonetic alphabet. Radio telegraphy Morse code mainly used for distress or where voice isn't practical.
The method of receiving information using visual signaling of single letters in the International Code of Signals Annex 4 involves hoisting a single flag representing the letter. This flag is then visually identified by the receiving party who understands the letter's meaning according to the International Code of Signal Elaboration. Number 1. Hoisting the flag. The sending vessel or authority hoists the flag corresponding to the letter they want to transmit. 2. Visual identification. The receiving vessel or authority observes the hoisted flag and identifies it as a specific letter. Number 3. Understanding the meaning. The receiving party then consults the International Code of Signals to understand the meaning of the single letter signal. 4. Responding or acting. Based on the meaning, the receiving party may respond with another signal, take action, or acknowledge receipt.